So you just received your first payment with Prio. Congratulations! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to select your bank account to deposit the funds you just received. You may have received a text or an email with a link to connect your bank account. When you click that link, the first thing you'll see is our info step. If you run a business with people working for you, you can select a business account, or if it's just you, you can choose freelancer. You can change this at any time, and if you're not sure which to select, we recommend choosing freelancer and entering the name and email address you'd like associated with your account. The next page helps us to get to know you a bit. We do have to collect a certain amount of information for safety and compliance purposes, and entering a website or social media profile can help our team verify your account quickly. Next, you can enter who you are to your clients. They'll see this in their account dashboard, and it helps them keep track of the people they have on their team. Here, you can select the bank account you'd like your funds deposited into. Our platform uses Plaid to securely connect your bank account for deposits, and the entire process should take less than 60 seconds to complete. Once you're finished, you'll enter a few personal details to confirm your bank account ownership and then hit Submit. Here, you'll see the payment that you just received. For compliance purposes, your bank will need to be verified first, which takes roughly a day or two, but once that process completes, your money will be on its way. Payouts usually take 2 to 4 business days and get faster over time. Now that your money is on its way, you can use the Payments tab in Prio to view all of your invoices and payment requests. You can also use your My Team tab to view a list of all of your professional contacts, your clients who you do work for and invoice regularly, and your vendors who do work for you. To add a new client or vendor, click the New button in the top right-hand corner. Then, enter their name, add their best contact email or phone number, and click Save. To request money from your clients, go to the Payments tab, click New in the top right-hand corner, and select Payment Request. Then, enter your dollar amount, describe what it's for, select your client, and click Send. You can also send money to your vendors this same way by clicking New, then Send Money, and entering your payment details here. If you'd like more flexibility or a more traditional invoicing experience, you can select New and then Custom Invoice, which lets you specify line items, due dates, and if your client pays by a credit card, lets you decide who will pay the fee. By default, on invoices and payment requests, Prio encourages your clients to pay via the low-cost bank transfer option and passes along the fee automatically if they choose to pay by credit card. This alone can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single month. Your client will then receive an instant payment link via text or email. When your client clicks their payment link, they'll immediately land on the payment screen. If you have tips enabled, your client can specify an amount to add as a tip here. Then they tap here to select their payment method. Or if they're a new user, they can add a new payment method of their choice. As you can see here, if credit card is selected, it will automatically calculate the fee and inform your client that this amount will be added to their bill. Or if they select bank account, they'll pay the invoice amount as sent. Then they simply tap Pay and your money is now on its way. And with Prio, there's an even easier way for your clients to pay invoices, with a single text. Instead of clicking the payment link, your client can respond via text that they want to pay your invoice. Prio will respond with the payment details and payment amount and ask your client to confirm the payment. Once done, they'll get a confirmation message that your payment request was successfully paid. At this point, your client can take a variety of actions right from within this text thread, including setting up autopay, which will automatically process any payment request you send them under the autopay threshold. They can also submit a variety of other requests, such as show me my recent invoices or how many payments have I sent this month. As a Prio user, you can also use Prio as your AI payments assistant as well, instructing Prio to take certain actions, such as list my unpaid invoices or send a new $50 payment request for consulting to John Doe. Your Prio assistant will then generate the payment request and ask for your confirmation before sending it on your behalf. Prio also has a variety of other features for every business, including custom invoices for those needing line item support, due dates, work dates, etc., Prio also offers a rewards program that rewards you for paying your bills with Prio and inviting other users to join the ecosystem. This reward system can easily scale into hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single month. And because Prio is completely free to use with no subscription fees, it is the perfect payments app for every business or freelancer looking to up their payments game while bringing down their fees and expenses. To sign up, go to heyprio.com and click Get Started today. Or, for any questions, you can reach out to us at hello@heyprio.com.